Welcome to the much awaited second and final part of NYC vlog. I was in New York City with my other two friends and this is day 4 of our trip. And if you haven't watched the first, then I'm gonna link it here. Our morning started slow since we decided to go to the window and buy Broadway tickets. This is gonna be our first time experiencing Broadway. Times Square in the morning is a vibe. We decided to hop onto the Disney store cause why not? Strolling around, we found these pop-ups which we decided to check later. The next plan for the day was to go to the friend's apartment. Yes, it's finally happening. The apartment was half an hour away from us, both through subway and walking, hence we decided to walk and enjoy the city. We finally made it to the apartment. Friends is that one show which makes you feel every time that in half of the apartment tour, we find props used in the series, followed by Monica's and Chandler's apartment. And the famous cafe. It felt like I was living my dream. 10 out of 10 and is a must do when you are in New York City. Our Broadway show was at 8 p.m. Hence we decided to go to the Washington Park. The weather was really good. I watched Kimberly Akimbo for my first Broadway show and it was so worth it. Also, if you wanna watch, it's running only until April 28th. So hurry up. Now it's time for hopping around Times Square. Times Square gets crazier by every hour at night. It has crazy rush. Enjoy every bit of it while you are here. This was quite a highlight of the night. I don't know how they do all of this. And that's all. We called it a night. Welcome to day 5, also our last day here. We had no plans today. It's mostly city strolling and feeling like main character. Living my Bollywood Nana dreams from Kal Ho Na Ho. We headed to West Village. This place has a lot of cute vintage shops, boutiques and restaurants. We tried one of these cute restaurants and now it's time to go to Wall Street and meet the charging bull. This area of the city has a very different vibe. The architecture was so beautiful. We clicked some pictures, say hi to the bull, and left for Brooklyn. Dumbo is extra beautiful during sunset. The park was busy and that made it even more beautiful. We wanted to wrap our day early today for our early morning flight, so left soon after our dinner. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like and share it with your friends. I upload shorts daily, so don't forget to check it out. Follow my personal life journey on Instagram here. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.